Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to our brand new series which is Go for Beginners. If you have ever wanted to start a coding in a Go but didn't know where to begin, then you are in the right place. This series is designed for absolute beginners and by the end of it, you will have a solid foundation to start building real Go programs. So before we dive in, here are few simple tips to get most out of this tutorial. First, complete the series without skipping lessons because each topic builds on top of previous one. Revisit each lesson at least twice because repetition helps you to understand and remember concepts better. Code along with me, as the best way to learn programming is by practicing as you watch. And most importantly is consistency is the key. Once you start this series, try to follow it regularly and avoid long breaks. You can master Go in just 2 to 3 weeks if you stay committed. So let's begin our journey with Go programming, Go for beginners. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one. Happy learning.